You might have wondered why the moon has so many marks on its surface. These marks are actually the story of destruction that was written millions of years ago. These are called impact craters, which were formed when asteroids from space collided with the moon. But the surprising thing is, it didn't happen only with the moon. Our Earth is also a target moving through space. Imagine a rock as big as Mount Everest hitting Earth at thousands of kilometers per hour. What would happen? Cities would be a small thing. Entire regions would be destroyed. Oceans could boil, and the sky could turn dark. In today's video, we will talk about those terrifying marks on Earth, the impact crater. First, let's go to South Africa, where the world's oldest and largest Vredefort Crater is located. Around 2 billion years ago, when life on Earth existed only in the form of tiny cells, a 15-kilometer-wide asteroid crashed into Earth. The explosion caused by this impact was millions of times more powerful than any nuclear bomb created by humans. This 300-kilometer-wide crater cannot even be seen properly from the ground. To understand its size, you would need to go into space. Today, over time, wind and rain have erased its edges, but for scientists, it is still an open book that tells us a lot about Earth's history. Now let's move to Canada, where the Sudbury crater is located. This story is a little different because here, destruction turned into wealth for humans. Around 1.8 billion years ago, a huge comet crashed here. The impact melted Earth's outer layer and pushed valuable metals from deep inside the Earth to the surface. Today, a large amount of the world's nickel and copper comes from this place. The surprising thing is, something that arrived to create destruction has now become an important part of Canada's economy. People there say, we are living on a gift from space. But when this object hit Earth, the scene must have looked like hell, with fire everywhere and melted lava all around. But the most famous and terrifying story is from Mexico. This was the time when dinosaurs ruled the Earth. They were huge, powerful, and probably thought nothing could destroy them. But then, an asteroid named Chicxulub came from space. This event happened around 66 million years ago. When this asteroid hit the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico, it changed the world forever. Scientists say that the impact threw so much dust and debris into the atmosphere that Earth was covered in darkness for years. Sunlight could not reach the surface. Plants died, and then the animals that depended on them also disappeared. Huge tsunamis were created in the oceans, affecting even the largest continents. This crater is not visible today because half of it is under the ocean and half is beneath the land. Scientists say that if this asteroid had landed slightly to the left or right, or arrived a few minutes later, maybe dinosaurs would still be alive today and humans might never have existed. If you like watching videos like this, then tell me in the comments so I can make more videos like this in the future.